Great day and welcome. Thank you for tuning into the Consciously Abundant Now Network. I am Kimyada, and today on this channel, as you can see, I have some ingredients here. I'm going to be showing you how to make your own deodorant. But before I get any further, I'm going to ask you to please hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe so that you won't miss out on any pertinent information that can help change your life. All right, now let's get right into it. Why make your own deodorant? Because aluminum is not safe in your body, period, point blank. Aluminum is known to cause breast cancer when used as a deodorant under your arms, and Alzheimer's disease, and that's just to name a few. Okay. Deodorants actually control odor, and antiperspirants prevent sweating. So that is a difference between the antiperspirants and deodorants. But anyway, if you're anything like me, you do not use over-the-counter deodorants because of the aluminum, because you don't want to put any foreign substances in your body that could shut down your pineal gland or that can cause some type of complication that's unnecessary. So you can make deodorant on your own, and it's better than the over-the-counter deodorants. So what you'll need is a quarter cup coconut oil, baking soda, and cornstarch. That's just the pure basics. Now, these essential oils are just some of the ones that you can add in to the final product. Today we're going to be using eucalyptus, but you can add tea tree, peppermint, lavender, Texas cedarwood, geranium, cinnamon leaf, bergamot, or neroli, just to name a few. I've even used dragon's blood, and it smells awesome in the deodorant. So it's going to be a quarter of each ingredient. So I'll start with the cornstarch, a quarter cup of cornstarch. If there are lumps in the cornstarch or the baking soda, you can sift it if you like, but this is what I do instead of sifting. So quarter cup of cornstarch. I will actually just take a fork and break it up while it's in the quarter cup, because it'll break up those lumps nice and easily. You place it in your container. You can also swirl it around while it's in the container. Alright. You want to add the coconut oil last, because if you don't, it's just gonna, everything else is gonna stick. So let me make that disclaimer. Add the coconut oil last. Next we're gonna add our baking soda. Quarter cup of baking soda. This is brand new, so give it a little help. Alright. Quarter cup of baking soda. Put that in your container. At this point, you'll think, oh, how's the oil gonna fit? It's gonna fit, and it's gonna shrink this down. because it's all going to melt together. And then finally, this is the perfect consistency for this coconut oil. This right here is the perfect consistency. Let me show you. This, it's not too hard, and it's not too, it is perfect consistency. Let me show you. That is so perfect. So we're going to add that right on top. And then I'm going to scrape the sides with my finger to get all of it in there. And I'm going to get a knife. I'm going to start with a knife first. Start with a knife. And then you mix it all in. Just work it. See how it's all, you're not losing much, if any. Let me get my spoon. Yeah. Little might come out the sides. That's okay. It's not gonna hurt anything. You see how it's shrinking down. See how it's shrinking down. And at this point, you're gonna whip it like the stir fry. You're gonna whip it and whip it. You're gonna whip this, baby. It's becoming the correct consistency already. This is perfect. I use a 4-ounce container, a 1/4 cup of each ingredient. See how it fits perfectly. Use my finger too. Now, I said I was using eucalyptus today. I'm going to use eucalyptus in there. I put about 8 drops because 8 is a number of wealth, money, prosperity. So I put 8 drops. And then whip it again. It smells so good. Perfect consistency. Perfect. Now, if you live in a cold climate, you can just sit this on your bathroom counter and it'll become this consistency. Let me show you. Let me show you the consistency that it will become. OCD kicking in. I gotta wipe this counter off. Easy peasy clean up. Okay. And this is the one I made. Well, I've been using this container for months now. It's glass, and this is the consistency it'll become. if you just set it out on your counter in the bathroom. And that's how it absorbs in your skin. Works the best. It's better than Secret. It's better than Dove. And just as good as Tom's. Okay? So, that is how you make your own deodorant using 3 ingredients: cornstarch, a 1/4 cup cornstarch, a 1/4 cup baking soda, and a 1/4 cup coconut oil. And then you can add your essential oils as you feel you want to. So thanks for tuning in to the Consciously Abundant Now Network. I am Kim Yata. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. With that, peace.